You can find a list of items needed in the description below. Grab your 6 marshmallows and place them in a bowl. Make sure you use the white ones because they'll be the best ones to colour. Make sure you have an extra one to eat. Now we need to add 1/4 cup of corn flour. Next is adding oil. Coconut oil works the best, but I only had olive oil. You can use any oil you like. Add in your food colouring. This will give the colour to the Play-Doh. Next we'll place it in the microwave. Start it off at 20 seconds, and if it's not enough, increase it to 30. It should look like this. Now give it a big stir. You might need some muscles in this because it's pretty tough. It might take a while, but you'll get there eventually. Once it's mostly stirred, you can pull it out and knead it by hand. This will get the last bit mixed in nicely. Now it's starting to look a lot more like Play-Doh. Now it's time to test out our Play-Doh. Roll it into some shapes and try and make some structures. Be as creative as you want. Make sure you send some photos in to the Makerspace team. We'd love to see what you come up with. Also, don't forget the all-important taste test. There you have it. Now you can make something and then eat it afterwards.